Welcome to Netpresenter's tutorial video on how to import templates. This video will show you how to import templates into the Netpresenter message server. First, access the message server with a browser and log in with an administrator user account. Go to Settings and click on Templates. Here you can find all your available templates. To import a new template, click on New Template and choose Import Template. You can now upload one or multiple .zip files that contain your template. When you've uploaded your templates, you have the option to change a few settings. You can change the name and description of your template, but you can also add a default color theme and logo to this specific template. These changes will only be visible on this specific template. Before you can start using your template, you need to assign it to your available sites. Click Add and select the site you want your template to be visible in. Again, click Add. Continue by clicking the Save button. Your template is now ready to use. That's it. Now you know all there is to know about importing templates to your message server. In need of some assistance? Please contact us. We're happy to help.